Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today, I'm going to be making Katsudon, the rice bowl with tonkatsu cooked in a flavorful broth with egg. I had introduced how to make tonkatsu last week. If you have leftover tonkatsu, let's make it into katsudon. It tastes so good and so satisfying. After finishing it, your body is so energized. We have so many kinds of rice bowl in Japan. This is one of them, and the cooking process is so simple. Moreover, the ratio of broth is easy to remember. Dashi and soy sauce mirin is 4:1:1. This is the ratio of Western Japan, including Osaka and Kyoto. Eastern Japan, including Tokyo, they add a little amount of sugar. You can definitely adjust the taste to your liking. Transfer cooked tonkatsu over the rice. This big portion is for my son. Good amount to fill his appetite. This is for me. I used my leftover from the night before, as I mentioned in the last video. Exactly a half amount of ingredients list. The crust absorbs flavorful broth, but still crunchy around the edges. The soft cooked egg is my kind of things. Goes so well together with rice. I hope you will give it a try. Thank you for watching the video. Click like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. For the written recipes and more information, please visit my website. The link is in the description box below. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!